and I said I would share with you some of the things that make my toolbox. So the last offering of this week is one of the sound exercises that I do. There are several, and I'm just going to share a few of them. Each one of them takes a while to practice, and yeah, so you just need to be patient and play with it and enjoy it. So the first one that I thought I would share is called Four Phases of Humming. Okay, so four phases of humming involves different positions of the mouth and the tongue in the mouth, and the sounds that are involved is the humming, and then the vowels a, e, o, I, U, and then the humming. The positions of the mouth, the lips are sealed gently, the jaw is relaxed, and the tongue, in the first instance, first the lips are sealed gently, the second time the tongue is behind the teeth, and then the third position is the tongue is rolled back to the middle of the palate, and then the last position, the tongue gets rolled back and it goes as far as it possibly can. Okay? In all of this, we do the humming 3 times, and then each vowel 3 times, changing, going through all the positions. So it's quite a long one. Okay. So you're either on the floor with your legs crossed in a position or sitting on your heels in a position that allows your tummy to have space. It's really important. Or you can sit on a chair and have your legs slightly wide apart with your feet planted on the ground so you're grounded. Or you can stand up. Okay? And I'll close my eyes while I do this. So first, closing the lips gently and starting humming 3 times. We go to the end of our own breath each time. We stay patiently with the end of each breath. We allow it to go back to its natural rhythm. We stay with the resonance for a little bit, and then when we're ready, we move to the second phase. So the second phase, remember, is the tongue behind the teeth and the upper palate. Lips sealed gently, jaw relaxed. Then we go to the third position. So you roll the tongue back to the middle of the upper palate. And then the fourth position, you roll the tongue back as far as it will go. So I've changed my mind. I'm not going to give you the vowels as well as the humming. I think for those of you who will look at this and try it, the humming is enough to practice. Watch out for things like when the tongue becomes too tense, then you've gone too far back. You need to find a place where you can hold it without straining. And also watch out for taking a cycle when it's too quick. After the other cycle, you need to have the honesty to allow your body a pause, if it needs a pause, before going into another cycle. And yeah, send me some feedback, and I will post little snippets of working with Naad with sound over time, and this one is the first one. Okay, have a good weekend.